So what's up guys, good morning. So welcome to my daily vlog. So it's a charcoal and we're going to use it for grill or something like that. So we just put some fire in it in order to you know to be used. So we do right now because we're expecting someone, just like we uploaded, we're expecting someone,
Agse minti kipot diha mo ba nang
visitors
puto.
that are going to
Paabag. Pero kipot mo mata na.
prepare for this food. It's rice. So we'll be having invited a priest to have a deliverance in this part, and Sanubaning is preparing for the charcoal to heat it up, or what's the correct word for it. Can you say something about Sanubaning, about our event for today?
Hello guys, today we are preparing our lunch because today is rescheduled. This is the second time scheduling by Father Priest, Catholic priest, because last week it was postponed due to his some maybe there's some
Reason.
not good will reason physically. That's why he rescheduled today at 10:30. It was already 10:30, no? 10:28. Maybe a few minutes more or a short time he is here. We have to ask him to deliver us this place because there is a in Bisaya now language is binog.
Quicksand.
Saan na?
Quicksand.
Quicksand?
Quicksand.
Quicksand? Huyong. Because there is a rice field, the rice field is already dry. But in that portion is still water. The water, the rice did not dry, and accordingly, the quicksand is the swimming pool for the others.
Fairies.
Other spirit. It
Creatures.
only look a sun so that it will not be disturbed by the people like us. But in their life, that is a swimming pool of them. That's why I have to ask Father Julius to deliver us this place, so that because I have grandchildren playing, so that creature is, if you have even touch them, you feel not good. So that's why I cleared so that the spirit of the Almighty God will be pleased here, and we are guarded by angels. The angels make a fire of pins so that no one can enter. Okay?
Okay. So that's what he's preparing for this today's event. So he already done on clearing the bushes. No, he already continued in clearing the bushes. And yeah, from here to the road, so it's
see, that is a highway.
yeah,
Highway.
it's a national highway leading to
Pitogo,
three municipalities:
Pitogo,
President Garcia,
Anda,
and Mabini, the three towns of Bohol.
and here is Ubay.
And it's only 2 lane, so maybe 15 years from now or 20 years it will be added some 4 lanes, something like that. So right here are the grandkids of Sanubaning. It's Dwight in wearing green t-shirt. It's Gobel wearing purple, and it's Lucia and Erich, and the red guy with wearing red t-shirt is Jaren, and also the pink lady is Angelica or Angel. So yeah,
No.
that's today's event. Yeah, this is a coconut trees root. So somebody is trying to burn this tree.